Hello and welcome! Today, we're going to embark on a journey inward, a guided body scan meditation to release tension from your head all the way down to your toes. If you've been feeling stressed, overwhelmed, or just disconnected from your body, this practice is for you. Find a comfortable position, either sitting up with a straight spine or lying down on your back. Gently close your eyes. Begin by taking a few deep breaths. Inhale slowly through your nose, filling your belly with air. And exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any initial tension. Now, bring your awareness to the very top of your head. Notice any sensations here without judgment. Is there tightness, tingling, or maybe nothing at all? Simply observe. With your next exhale, imagine all the tension in your scalp and forehead melting away, leaving behind a feeling of softness and ease. Let this wave of relaxation travel down into your face. Soften your jaw, unclench your teeth, and let your tongue rest gently in your mouth. Release the tiny muscles around your eyes and let your cheeks feel heavy and relaxed. Now, bring your attention to your neck and shoulders, areas where we often hold so much stress. Notice any tightness or weight? On your next exhale, imagine that. Weightlifting. Your shoulders dropping away from your ears, and your neck becoming long and free. Allow this sense of release to flow down your arms, through your elbows, into your wrists, and all the way to the tips of your fingers. Feel a warmth and heaviness in your hands as they rest. Shift your focus to your chest and upper back. With each inhale, feel your chest expand. With each exhale, feel it soften. Let go of any tightness around your heart. Feel the breath moving freely, creating space. Now, guide your awareness down to your stomach and lower back. This is another common area for holding stress. Simply breathe into this area. On the exhale, release any clenching, any holding on. Feel your belly soften and your lower back release into the surface, supporting you. Let this gentle awareness continue down into your hips, your pelvic area. Let go of any gripping here. Feel a sense of grounding and stability. Allow the relaxation to flow down through your thighs, past your knees, and into your calves and shins. Feel the muscles in your legs becoming heavy, loose, and completely supported. Finally, bring your attention to your feet. Notice the sensations in your ankles, the soles of your feet, and each one of your toes. On your next exhale, imagine any remaining tension in your body flowing out through the bottoms of your feet, leaving you completely refreshed and at peace. Take one final deep breath in and a long, slow breath out. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, slowly bringing your awareness back to the room. Open your eyes. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. I hope you feel more relaxed and centered. For more guided meditations and tips to find your inner.com, please subscribe to the VoiceWithin page. See you next time.